Hello my dear friends, welcome. How are you? Welcome back to this class. Welcome to our YouTube channel ADC Maths. In this class, we are going to learn how to get the particular integral of the polynomial function. So because we already seen that how to get the particular integral of the exponential type, trigonometric type. Now this time it is polynomial type. So polynomial type, there is no replacements is possible. Only the thing is expansion. We have to expand it. So before going to that, I just like to say that the two operators, d stands for dou by dou x, t star dash stands for dou by dou y. Similarly, 1 by d stands for integral of dx and 1 by d dash stands for integral of dy. So please keep in these things in your mind so that it is very easy for us to get the particular integral of this polynomial type. So how to get the particular integral? So this is the pi 1 by the left hand side denominators, there is a d cube minus 2d square d dash of 3 into x squared plus y, x squared into y. See that there are some operators are present in the denominator. So our ultimate aim is to replace those operators. That's why it's called particular integral. So what I am going to do that now, I can express this into the binomial expansion. How? You see that? Can I take the d cube outside in the denominator? So 1 by d cube of 1 minus 2d square d dash by d cube. Got it? Once I repeat that, we can divide the d cube. Otherwise, taking d cube outside, I am getting that 1 by d cube of 1 minus 2d square d dash by d cube. Cancellation of d square. So we get 3 into x squared y in the numerator. So this can be as 1 by d cube. Now let us bring the denominator term into the numerator. So 1 minus 2d dash by d. You see, why I can take the d cube first? You may have that doubt. So why we are taking the d cube outside? What's the reason? As I told you that the polynomial function there is no replacement at all, but at the same time we are going to use the binomial expansions. So see the binomial expansions I am going to use is 1 plus x, for example 1 plus x is equal to minus 1 minus x plus x squared etc. or 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x plus x squared plus etc. So all the binomial expansions are standard 1 in this model. So that's why I can take it as a d cube outside first. So this is the only reason, nothing else. Now let us compare this with the second formula. In the place of x is I am having 2d dash by d. So 1 by d cube of 1 minus of 2d dash by d plus by the formula I think minus plus, so 1 plus 2d dash by d into plus 2d dash by d to the 4 squared plus etc up to infinity of 3x squared y. Once I repeat this, this looks like the 1 minus x whole power minus 1 model. So 1 plus x squared etc. So x is equal to 2d by, that is 2d dash by d. So in the place of x is we can replace by 2d dash by d. Now my question is, this is going to infinity. Is it possible to go for up to infinity? No need to go for up to infinity. It's a very simple case. See this polynomial function and see the numerator operator. What's the numerator operator here? D dash. What is d dash represents? Dou by dou y. Isn't it? So can you see the power of the polynomial term? In this polynomial 3x squared y. What is the degree of y? 1 only. So this is maximum power 1 only. That means that it is maximum d dash power 1 only. So what is it? D dash of 3x squared y is equal to dou by dou y of 3x squared y. Is right? What is dou by dou y of 3x squared y? Only 3x squared. If we further proceed, that means that d dash square of 3x squared y. So to say this, there are no y term here, so we get 0. So this automatically becomes end. So once again repeat this. This infinity terms, it will comes only with the help of the given polynomial terms. Let us see the numerator operator d dash. D dash represents the variable y. So let us see the power of the degree of the y variable 1. So it is maximum d dash power 1 only. So from d dash square onwards is 0. So after that all the higher order terms becomes 0. So I can simply omit those terms. I omit those higher order terms. So now pi is equal to 1 by d cube of 1 plus 2d dash by d only. So of 3x squared. So once again repeat this. So this is the infinite expansion, but it is only up to this term is possible, non-zero terms. All these are 0. So I can stop. Now let us operate this into the term. This is very important. Let us operate into the term. So I am writing that it is 3x squared y. 1 into 3x squared y is 3 squared plus 2d dash of 3x squared y by d. What is d dash of 3x squared y? It is 3x squared. So this is equal to 1 by d cube of 3x squared y plus 2. What's the d dash of 3x squared y? With respect to y, I am getting 3x squared. So it is 2 into 3x squared by d. Clear? Now once again, there are no operator in the numerator but denominator. What's the 1 by d stands for? Integrating with respect to x. Which term? Only this much. Only this term can be integrated with respect to x. What's the 3x squared integration? 3x cubed by 3. So we get this 1 by d cube of 3x squared y plus 2 into 3 into x cubed by 3. Once I repeat this, 1 by d stands for integrating with respect to x to the term. This term only. That is 3x squared. So 3 into 2 6, otherwise 3 will cancel. So this much. So this is equal to 1 by d cube of 3x squared y plus 2x cube. So still there are some operator behind this whole term. What's the mean that? It means that we are going to integrate this with respect to x because d is there. D stands for x. So we are going to integrate the whole term with respect to x. How many times? 3 times. Y is power 3. Isn't it? So we can do this by 3 times integration with respect to x. So first time what will happen? The first time I am getting 1 by d squared of first time integration with respect to x, 3x cubed by 3 into y plus 2 into x to the power 4 by 4. Got it? After cancelling some 3, this becomes 2. Once again, second time differential integration with respect to x to the power 4 y by 4 plus x to the power 5 by 5 into 2 because 2 is already there. And the last time integrating with respect to x, I am getting that x to the power 5y by 5 into 4 plus x to the power 6 by 6 into 5 into 2. So almost we reached the final stage because of there are no operators behind this one. So this is my required particular diagram. So it's nothing but x to the power 5y by 20 plus x to the power 6 by 16. 6 by 16. Got it? Is right? So this is the video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my video and forward and share to your friends so that they also got benefited through this our YouTube channel EDC Max. Thank you. Thank you. Spread the happiness to entire world. Thank you. Take care.